Hi, I'm Mr. West, your student's world history teacher this year. Just a little bit about me. I grew up near Lake Lotawana. Went to Mason Elementary, Bernard Campbell Junior High, then graduated from Lee Summit North. Um, this is my 12th year teaching, my 5th year here at Lee Summit West. I've taught world history every year since I started teaching. It's a subject that I'm really interested in, and I think is really interesting for myself and can be for the kids as well. Um, just to show you a little bit about how the classroom will work on Schoology so that you guys know how it works. Um, and then I'll go over the syllabus. So when you go into Schoology, okay, most of the stuff that I will post will all be in materials. So if you click materials, it will take you to here. And I'll also post this video in the Back to School Night folder. And then once you click on Back to School Night, okay, you will see within that the syllabus, the virtual student expectations, the Schoology agreement, and the virtual learning schedule and first semester virtual AB day schedule. This is a place where you can go just to get this intro information for the course. I'm just going to go through the syllabus, and then I'll cover a few more things on Schoology. Okay, so if you look here at the syllabus, at the top, you can see my contact information, my email, my phone number here in the classroom, my room number, and then what hour I have planned period. So if you were to try to contact me, third hour plan, so on the days that we have third hour, okay, will be my plan period. As far as office hours, okay, on A day from 2:25 to 3, and on B day from 2 to 3, and then Wednesdays from 10 to noon would be the best time to contact me. You can always contact me via email. It's probably the best because I can respond back quickly. I'm in an interior classroom, so you could call my phone number, but I'm not necessarily always in my room. So if you email, I'll have my cell phone and I can email you right back. This just goes through what the course is about. It's a survey of human activities, triumphs, dark moments, and patterns of living from the Renaissance to World War II. Okay, and we focus mainly on the world's events from a European perspective in this course, based on what the content is that the district's put forth. Okay, and it's designed to get for students to gain a new appreciation for the past and then relate it to modern events. Again, you can see kind of the basic units that we go through. We'll see how this goes in the block scheduling. Typically, we get through the French Revolution by first semester, and then we'll end up with World War II second semester. Class expectations: be prepared and organized, respect others, follow directions, observe the classroom procedures, in the district procedures, and participate, learn something, and have fun. Okay, I want this course to be fun for the kids, and hopefully we can do that even in this virtual environment. These are the virtual classroom expectations as put forth by the district so that you can read them and have the kids read them. For my class, they'll just have to be logged on into the class when they're supposed to be logged on into the course, okay, based on their class schedule. At the end of every class period, the last 10 to 15 minutes, I'll post a discussion board. It'll be a short formative just to check to see if they've learned what we've covered for that day. And it also allows me to take attendance, so they have to do that in order to be counted for attendance for that day. If they do not get on and make a post, then I'll assume that they were not in the class that day, and I'll turn that into attendance. Supplies will be different. Passes, grades. So as far as the grades go, their grade is a total points class, so assignments are not weighted. Okay, tests are not weighted. Okay, 1 point is 1 point. The only thing that is weighted is the final. Okay, and that'll be 10% of their grade. And if their grade falls below 60%, I'll contact you to let you know what's going on. If you're absent for whatever reason, you get 1 day per day that you're absent to make up the work. And that'll just have to be communicated with me. And either yourself or your student can email me and let me know, okay, that they were absent, and then we'll take care of that. Learning targets will be posted at the beginning of each unit so that they know what learning targets are going along with which units, so they know kind of what they're supposed to be learning. And then as far as extra credit goes, the only way to get extra credit is if you've turned everything in on time, and then you can get some extra credit. But that will be on kind of a as-needed basis, okay, for the students. Just to go back to Schoology. Okay, I'll also post updates, and this is what it looks like for me. And I'll send out an update at the beginning of each week on Monday, probably Monday morning, right before school starts. I'll post out a weekly update, and they'll also post daily updates so the students know weekly what is going to be due, and then daily what they have due, so that they will know. And that sends them an update not only in Schoology but also to their email. And I will send you guys the link to the course so that you can get logged on. Okay, and like I said, it'll look just like this. You'll click courses, click on world history, and then most of the stuff that you will want to look at will be in materials. When the kids click on it, it'll look just like this. So the first actual unit is going to be origin stories. Okay, when they click on that, that's the unit. Okay, and then for week 1, it'll be dated just like this. They'll click on the week, and then when they click within that, okay, all the assignments will be dated as well. I just have to finish dating these, but so the first day that we have class, okay, will be origin stories. So all of these will be for 9-10. Like I said, if you have any questions or concerns, just shoot me an email or give me a phone call. I'm excited for this virtual school year, and I hope that I will get to meet all the kids when we go back to in person.